some black girl magic. Baby hair on fleek, blue cheese on me, lot of lights on me. Black girl magic, baby hair on fleek, all these lights on me. Black girl magic, yeah, 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 yeah. Got that black girl magic.
What's up, y'all? It's your girl Tiyonna B. Welcome back to my channel. So first off, I would like to say that this video is in collaboration with Supernova hair. So I got sent this curly bob unit. So this is what it came in. I'm going to post a picture of how it looks on the screen. I did get it through their Amazon store. Because I know a lot of companies now, they'll have like their actual website. A lot of them are like selling their hair, wig, and stuff on Amazon as well, which I prefer because, I mean, it comes in 2 days. Okay, so in the bag, it came with a cap, which is good because this one is actually my color, and a band here, and it's the wig. For some reason, like, I've been wanting to try like a curly bob for so long, but I don't know, I just never got it. But I'm trying to show you guys how the lace looks. Wow. Okay, so this is a frontal and it's in the length of, it's a 12-inch. So this is how the curls look fresh out the bag. I'm so excited. It doesn't have a smell, it just smells like normal weave. It doesn't have like no type of like weird funky smell or something. I just want to show you guys how the wig looks fresh out the bag because I am going to bleach the knots. I'm going to do a little bit of tweezing, and yeah, so once I do all that, then I'll come back and apply it for you guys. Okay, so I bleached the knots, I plucked it a little bit, and then I added some, some powder on the lace. So I did over bleach it a little bit, but once I put it on, you can't really tell that much, at least not on this side. But this is how she's looking. I did cut it a little bit on the sides right here and then right here. So it is a frontal, so this is how the wig is. Blue, shut up. This is how the wig is constructed. You see some clips here, and then the back has a little lace part which I need to cut off, and then also another comb, and then the adjustable straps here. And the wig is very big head friendly because even with my even though I have like the straps on like the very last one, like it's still like a pretty good fit. Okay, here she is, and this is how the lace is looking after I bleached the knots. Like I said, I did over bleach it a little bit, but it's not too bad. Sis is giving scalp. And I already cut the sides. They were actually extremely long, and that's why I said this wig is like really big head friendly, because these came down to like right here. Like I said, I did over bleach the front part just a little bit because I was like trying to make my plaits underneath a little bit flatter, and didn't realize how much time had gone by. But luckily this side right here is going to be covered. But I'm going to go to the beauty supply store and get some type of like tinting spray or whatever. But this is how it's looking so far. Okay, so now I'm going to section off a little bit. Not necessarily like all my baby hairs, but okay, so this is how it's looking. I'm going to spray the Godspeed spray right here on this part. So now I'm just combing that spray so it doesn't like where it got hard at. Now I'm just gonna unbraid this little hair and comb it out, making sure it's soft. I actually have a smaller rat tail comb. This one. Make sure you comb out all of that spray that's on the hair. Okay, so now get as close to the hairline as you can. So now that everything is sprayed, I'm gonna go back and comb out the hairspray that's on the hair. Y'all, I don't even be wearing wigs like that. And I feel like I'm doing an incredible job. I feel like I can do anything I put my mind to. All I gotta do is watch a few YouTube videos. So this is how the hairline is looking. This is giving scalp. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and cut this lace off. I realize that when I'm spraying that Got2b spray, I need to stop leaning my head down because then it starts to drip. So I have to kind of like pull it off my skin a little bit. I'm trying to figure out how did I go to the beauty supply store with the list and still forgot to get a razor. Okay, so now for the last step, I'm gonna pull out my baby hairs. So I want a lot of baby hairs on this side because I kind of want, okay, so I'm gonna have a side part right here and I kind of want to like swoop up. This side I'm not really worried about just because it's gonna be covered up. I don't have a razor, so I'm trying not to make these baby hairs extra thick. So I'm gonna go in with the Got2b styling gel now, just to flatten the lace and slick down my baby hairs. So this is how this part is looking. Like I said, I'm not really worried about this because this is about to be covered. But I'm gonna go ahead and tie my hair down while I work on this part. This is how the part is looking. This is without me plucking it or anything. So I'm gonna use this Holy Grail. Look how the curls just pop out. So this is the final results of the wig. Like I said, I got it from Supernova through their Amazon page. I added a little bit of that powder on the part just to make it a little bit more defined. So I didn't want to pluck it, but I think it turned out pretty good. I did make the mistake of cutting, like this part was like a little bit longer, so I trimmed it, but I really should have waited after I was done because I feel like it kind of makes this part of the wig look a little funny. But I think I did pretty good. I didn't want to go too crazy on the baby hairs, so I kind of want something like a little bit more natural. This is up close and personal. Yeah, I can't wait to try like something from their site. Well, I can't wait to try something again. It's like a little bit longer, but it's about to be springtime, so this is really cute. It makes me feel like a little bit older. Well, not older like my age, but I really like this hair. Like, it's soft. I kind of put a little bit too much of this foaming lotion in my hair, but the curls is popping. The knots dyed really well. I just kind of overdid it a little bit because I wasn't paying attention to the time. Now I redeemed myself from the last video. If you see my last video where I uploaded the where I was installing the synthetic wig, fail. But this, like, I can actually be confident wearing this outside somewhere. Like, I'm proud of myself. Like, I don't even be wearing wigs like that. I've always wanted to try and get into them, but now I know what I'm doing a little bit. I can't wait to like do my makeup, put on some lashes, and get like real cute. So follow me on my Instagram. It's TiyonnaB_. She's cute. Giving bounce. Yeah, I'm so in love with this hair. One thing for sure that I low-key could have like crisscrossed the straps in the back, because after I put it on, it's not as tight as I want it to be. So whenever whenever I take this off and reinstall it, I'm gonna crisscross the straps. I don't want to add in the band just because I don't want to. I don't know, or maybe I could, but it's not as tight, and it's not as tight in the back as I would like it to be. So I probably just try to crisscross the straps, and if I don't like how that feels, then I'm gonna go ahead and add the adjustable. I'm gonna go ahead and add the elastic band. But that's all for this video. Comment down below how you think I did this time. Like, I redeemed myself from the last video. But if you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on your post notifications. I will see you guys in the next video.